Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys an update about my Teach for America process. Last month I did make a video about the application process, and on February 27th was the last day, or the day that I interviewed for the Teach for America. That interview process was approximately 2 hours long. It started out with the interviewer just pretty much asking me questions, getting to know me for the first half hour. Half hour into our session, I was teaching a 5-minute lesson to the interviewer, and then they responded and asked some questions in regards to my lesson that I taught. And then after my lesson, that was the time for me to go over my case study, and I pretty much came up with a proposal for my case study. The person who interviewed me was actually a finance manager, so that was kind of odd for me being interviewed for a teaching position by a finance manager. So I pretty much just asked questions in regards to, what they thought would be a challenge, but most of those questions were redirected back to the Teach for America recruiter that would be reaching out to me. And as of March 12th, I was accepted for Teach for America in the Las Vegas region. So I will be a Teach for America court member for the 2024-2025 school year in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm very excited about that. I was contacted actually by a Teach for America recruiter back in 2022, and at that time I was substituting for the school district here in Las Vegas for about a year and kind of still deciding if I wanted to go into teaching full-time, being that I do have a bachelor's of science in human development, in which I obtained in 2016. So I decided that Teach for America would be a great opportunity for me to get in the classroom full-time versus substituting whenever there is a position available. So I will be starting Teach for America June 6, 2024 in the Las Vegas region. This is a 2-year commitment, so I have committed to staying in Las Vegas until June 2026 to complete my teaching certification, as well as I'll be signing up with the University of Las Vegas, Nevada to obtain my master's degree as well as a teaching certification. That is a part of the requirements for Teach for America. So I'm really enthusiastic about joining Teach for America. The process was a little tedious. I did apply back in December 2023. The interviews were held in February 2024 and March 2024. They did make decisions and I was accepted. So I look forward to serving here in the Las Vegas community. I have been an educator since 2016 when I graduated with my bachelor's of science in human development. And I just look forward to dismantling all the barriers that are in place for children in underserved communities. Thank you for your time. And if you are interested in Teach for America, the link is going to be down below. Feel free to join the corp, or if you have any questions or need help with your interview process, I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel, Learning with Nisha.